Tony Pavelski reporting on the climate change conference and the results of it from Copenhagen. Unfortunately, I could not get into DC today due to the massive storm, the greatest blizzard in December's history. But what I like to say is, I'm starting to not believe in global warming, that's for sure. I just hope I can make it to the camera before I'm killed. Maybe they'll find me in spring. Oh God, someone help me. Global warming. If this is global warming, oh Jesus. Let's see if I can make it all the way in. I'm not going to survive much longer. Thank God they had this historical agreement. This historical agreement. Global warming is a terrible thing. Cut this, please. Where am I? I think I see a mastodon in the distance. Oh, it's a woolly mammoth. Global warming. Global warming. That's enough for me.